Tuesday morning, and we're gonna walk sa Beverly again. And our target today is medyo mag-run ng konti.
Like reading their workflows and checking in rapidly so that I can ensure that they're fast after counselors. Yes, I actually had the hands-on training. It's with guys with your in my province. It's actually like that's actually happened with the tour that we have right now. So it's hands-on training for the yes, not
currently like 8:20 p.m. of May 22nd, and I just want to share something very quick kasi kanina may nakaschedule talaga na upload sa channel ko ng 6 p.m. However, after a couple of minutes na uploaded na siya, may mga issues ako nakita, so I had to set it on private and then re-edit the vlog. And kakatapos ko lang actually mag-re-edit and kaka-upload lang ulit ng vlog ko na yon. And you know what? I just want to share this that I am very grateful to all of you kasi even if my first video is just set in public for a couple of minutes, I still gained views. So it's just 3 views anyway, but I'm still happy and grateful kasi after how many months, I know I'm not consistent in uploading vlogs on my YouTube channel, but right now, after like, I think 8 months na hindi ako nag-upload, nanood pa rin kayo ng vlog na kaka-upload ko lang, and that really touches my heart. And I just wanna thank you all. I really appreciate it, and I hope hindi kayo magsama ng mga ganitong vlogs ko.
So for today, I'm gonna make a banana oatmeal pancake. Why? Kasi meron akong saging dito at malapit na siyang mabulok. And nanghihinayang naman ako kung masisira lang siya. So I've decided na gawin siya ng paraan. And recently, ang dami ko nakikita yung mga nagfo-food vlogs na nag-experiment sila. So we'll do it as well. So I have here, 3 na lang siya actually. Pero ayan, as you can see, nangingitim na talaga siya, pero okay pa yung loob niya kasi kakatapos ko lang kumain ng isa. So, I have here my oats, chia seeds, tapos I have my egg sa ref. So, yeah. Let's make banana oatmeal pancake. So, yung bananas, guys. Nandito na sila. So, I'll just add my oats. So, ayun guys, nakalimutan ko i-blend pala sila. Actually, ayoko dapat siyang i-blend kasi messy. Pero, I have to blend it para din sa oats, malusaw siya. So, ayan, nilabas ko yung meat grinder ko. Then, buhos ko na lang siya dito.
So guys, this is what we have here. It looks perfect, but I'm not sure if it tastes good. But hopefully, so ayan, isasalang ko na siya. And I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Guys, I'm done cooking banana oatmeal pancake. Ang bango niya, like super bango niya. Nakakaamoy ako ng parang maruya sa kanya, but it's not maruya. So, ayun guys, taste test na natin. First try, first tikim. this is our taste test for our banana oatmeal pancake. And again, guys, this is my first time like making this. So, I'm not sure kung ano yung lasa niya. Ayoko lang talagang masiraan ng pagkain. Kaya ginawa ko to. And yeah, let's taste it. I did not add any sugar or maple syrup kasi natatamisan na talaga ako doon sa overripe na saging na kinain ko kanina. So, ito talagang pure ingredients niya lang is oatmeal, banana, chia seeds, and egg. So, yun. Kakamayin ko na. Ang sarap niya! Ang sarap niya, guys. I think mas masarap siya kapag mas overripe pa yung saging kasi mas matamis siya. But for me, it's okay na. Parang hindi siya masyadong matamis kasi nakakaumay. And yung lasa niya, malapit yung lasa niya sa maruya. Yeah, so I think parang maruya siya kasi 'di ba oatmeal. So parang yeah, masarap siya, guys. So, it's currently almost 5 a.m. in a Saturday morning. So, as usual, we'll be walking sa Beverly. Hinihintay ko lang na medyo mas lumiwanag kasi medyo madilim pa. Usually, at exactly 5 a.m., medyo maliwanag na. So, pwede na akong mag-walk. Please, no. Guys, I'm using this band. Actually, this is not mine. Kay Papa to. And, ginagamit ko lang siya kasi hindi niya na ginagamit. And, look at the band. Ang ganda niya and ang kapal niya. Ano na to? Recently ko lang siyang binili and ang ganda niya. Actually, at first, I was very hesitant kung bibili ako. Kasi yung unang binili ko dati, natatanggal yung watch. Like, hindi siya talagang naka-fit. Pero etong binili ko ngayon, bukod sa makapal siya, like, look. It looks good. So, ayan. So, medyo madilim pa ngayon kasi medyo maaga pa. It's currently like 5:02 a.m. And we're on our way to Beverly. Kasi din tayo mag-walk as usual. And it's been like parang 3 days na hindi ako nakapag-walk doon. Kasi may medyo na-busy ako. And ayan, ngayon na lang ulit. So, our target for today or our goal for today is until 7 a.m. So, yeah. Wish me luck.
Kakauwi ko lang from walk. Agad ako natapos ngayon kasi I am not feeling really well. Super mabilis ako napagod ngayon. Tapos hindi din ako nakainom ng tubig as I'm always saying. Palagi yan kapag bago ako lumabas, lagi akong umiinom ng tubig. Pero kanina nakalimutan ko na naman siya and alala ko lang yung nakababa na ako. Kaya hindi na ako nakabalik. And for me, it's actually a lesson learned. Kasi kanina tinamad na akong bumalik, like umakyat ulit kasi nga nasa baba na ako. Pero ayun, ang naging kapalit nun is maaga akong kinailangang matapos dun sa walk ko kasi nga feeling ko ma-dehydrate na ako, like uho na talaga ako. And ayun, actually ko din siya, pagkukulang ko din siya kasi may tumbler ako dito, hindi ko siya dinadala kapag nag-walk ako. But I think moving forward, I'm gonna bring it na para nang sa ganon, anytime na bigla akong mauhaw during my walk, lalo na sa mga next few days, I'm planning to like run ng mabilis lang. And water is really a necessity for me, lalo na sa mga activities na ginagawa ko every morning, for me to stay hydrated na rin. So yeah, I'm gonna bring my tumbler na it's really a lesson learned. Pangalawa ng beses na nangyari to. And yung una nagbuko ako, yung kanina ayoko magbuko kasi gusto kong mag hot water or warm water ko uwi ko. Kaya ayun, super nagtiis ako and 6:30 pa lang umuwi na ako para kanina around 6:15 pa lang nag-cool down na ako tapos I started walking at 6:30 a.m. pauwi. And tinry ko yung best ko, like as in talagang I really tried my best na hindi bumili sa daan ng iinumin or what not. Lalo na sa 7-Eleven. Super natitempt ako kayo ng 7-Eleven. Pero sabi ko no, kaya ko to. Kasi nadsad ko hanggang makauwi. And yeah, kakatapos ko lang uminom ng warm water and kakain ako maya-maya, magsha-shower lang ako. And yeah, in the meantime, let's clean my clutter here kasi siguro mga ano na, mga ilang days na rin na nakaganyan yan. And naguguluhan na ako. Like, it's not giving. Medyo napapagod na ako kasi kaya na ako pag ginagawa itong mga piercings ko, I'm trying to put earrings sa lahat. Kasi it's been like, I think magto 2 weeks na since pinahinga ko yung tenga ko sa lahat ng earrings. And isa-isa lang yung mga nilalagyan ko. And in a week kasi, I'll be celebrating my birthday. So, I want to like have all of my earrings, like may nakalagay sa mga pierce ko. And I think I have a total of like 6 piercings bukod pa dito sa mga loops ko. May mga meanings yung mga yan, guys. And meron ako dito isa. Actually, ayoko siya kasi gusto ko siyang palitan. Kasi ang haba niya. So, I think I'm gonna put that here. Doon ako nang gawin to kasi in the next few days, yung nails ko naman na yung asikasuhin ko. And tomorrow, I'm gonna do a general cleaning. Tapos papunta ko ng curtains, ng sheets. Tapos mga nilaban ko nung nakaraan. Tutuklip ko sila. And what else? Yeah, bukas magkikita kami ni Pao kasi finalize namin yung about sa ganap ko sa birthday ko. Hindi ako excited. Like, hindi ako super excited kasi tatanda na naman. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys posted.
I am currently on my laptop working on something. Inaayos ko actually yung schedule ko for this coming week kasi medyo iniisip ko parang I'm not productive this upcoming week kasi wala akong nakaschedule. But then, I just ran into a good problem kasi sunod-sunod yung mga nare-receive kong emails, may mga meetings ako, webinars and sessions all of a sudden, and I'm currently fixing my schedule, like my calendar, kasi may mga plans din kami ni Pao for this coming week na gagawin. Kaso parang hindi ko sure kung magko-conflict or what, pero ayun nga. This is actually a good problem of mine kasi for the past month, ang dami kong pinaplano, pero I think ipapostpone ko muna yung mga ibang plano kasi mas importante itong mga biglang nagsipasok sa mga emails ko na mga schedules for this coming week. And I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. And ayun, I'm just so happy. Actually, yung isa sa mga webinars na attendan ko, it's a certification for my professional growth, and I'm just so excited kasi nakapag-sign up ako dito for free, and supposedly this is not free, pero ayun nga, nakahabol ako sa registration, so I get to join this webinar just for free and earn a certificate at the end of the session. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited to be so productive this coming week. So, ayun lang.